absolute chaos out here. You know, people say it's kind of like ice out there. Well, it's not like ice, it is ice. Just freaky. So definitely got the old heat on today, and it's actually more for falling branches and whatnot. This reminds me of the old Kingston ice storm back in the day. Oh, look at this. Just freaky. Alright, we're going to ride through this on camera. No problem. One-handed with the helmet on, of course. Safety first and trusty bell. Just freaky out here. Wild West. Power's out downtown for a couple hours. They say the crews are working at the hospital right now, so we've got a couple hours to kill, and it's the middle of the day, which is kind of nice. Yes, we got a couple hours. Legs are pretty smoked from the brick workout last night. But, feel really good today. I might just go for a couple hours, easy spin down Jackson Park. And it is absolute chaos. Say hi. There we go.
Your hand won't write, not tonight.
I think the schools are out today because the kids are all around. Yeah, just fantastic. Just beautiful. I'm going to really enjoy this ride. Take it easy, spin the legs out. Get a couple hours of easy riding in. And another day down.
By starlight alone.
So I'm in Jackson and it's absolute carnage. Tons of trees down. This one's blocked. I've already gone through a few just like this. And the trail is pretty much unrideable and it's literally ice here. So I'm going to call it a day, go back a different way. Now that you have to be out here with dogs and myself. Hi, puppy. Aren't you excited? Hello.
This is a pyramid.
I bet. Hi, little puppy. So I'll show you a little bit of what it's like. This is the way back. And that I know is like this. I wouldn't come here because I think it's more damage than I am. Benefits of the park. So I'm getting out of here. I'm going to go find a trail. Right on that, because it is just nuts here. Wow.
Intensity of stars reflected in the water.
And I ran here yesterday and rode here yesterday. It was totally rideable.
The ore dips into oil-like water, and we are away.
Alright, more of this. I'm out here. Cars. They've got no control, and even the paths are covered with lots of scenes like this. Branches, massive branches, are just falling at will, and pretty sketchy. Go out anywhere. So instead of getting in a couple hours of easy riding, I think I'm gonna put in about 1 hour of easy riding and call it a day. And the power comes on soon.